Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as promised, I'm going to be doing the full E.L.F. makeup review, and I have a special guest. Introduce yourself to the camera.
Hey, goddamn pee-pee.
I don't think they can really see you, Petey. You have to like get hold of you. Say it again.
Hey, goddamn pee-pee. Don't open the doors. I'll come to my channel and close the door.
Oh. Alright, so he actually wanted to, today he's going to be in the video with me, helping me with my makeup because he wanted to be in the video, so I'm going to let him. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start with concealer. I'm going to be using the light concealer under my eyes and the beige concealer around my eyes. So this concealer is a camo concealer, light peach, and this is a medium beige concealer. Right, and can you hand me the sponge please, Petey? Please. And I'm going to go ahead and blend the concealer with this part of the sponge, like the tip, and go like that. Okay, first I'm going to start with the light concealer. Okay guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and blend my under eyes. Make sure to spread it all around the under your eye so it looks really nice and light and glowy under your eye. Also, by the way, I have both my brothers, Owen and Petey, in here, so just in case if you hear any babies cooing. Now I'm going to just go ahead and blend the rest in.
How do you like my turn?
No, B, I don't need them anymore.
I need to bronzer my eyes.
Color your eyes?
No, bronzer my eyes.
Bronzer your eyes? Bronzer is for your cheeks. Oh, and then I'm going to go ahead and use this surface of the sponge on the rest of my face, because I feel like it's more flat and bigger to spread. Are you bored? Your face. Okay, so you see these little spots right here? I'm going to go ahead and have Petey wet them with the set spray, so that way it'll all feel like, I don't know, it'll all just be, I know. Okay, here, ready to spray it on me? Spray it on, just on my face, okay? No, on my face, like this. Look, like this. Like, but spray, like that, okay? Go. 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 Not super close. Okay, right here now. No, right here, no, right here. Okay, Petey, thank you, thank you.
No, right here.
Okay, right here. I thought you were gonna do it on my face. Okay, so Petey usually likes to put Fix Plus on himself because my tia will spray it on herself and he'll see and he'll be like, I want to put some too, so he'll have some.
I can put some on myself.
You can't put some on yourself. That's not Fix Plus. Okay, so now as you can see, it's like, I'm going to go ahead and rub it. Oh, sorry, I was using the wrong side with the sponge, but I'm going to go ahead and just like blend it all. Are you spraying more? Sorry guys, I had to go ahead and blend the rest of my face off camera because it was kind of like stuck to my face. It's because I let it dry, so. But that's okay because it's still like blended. Okay, so now I'm gonna moving on to blush. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this E.L.F. Blushing. This E.L.F. blushing, I guess that's what it's called. It says in the back, and this blush brush, the E.L.F. blush brush. Now I'm gonna go ahead and apply some of the blush on here, and then tap it right here so we can get all the excess off. And then I'm just gonna blend it in circular motions. Okay guys, so the blush is like too light, so I had a hard time like applying it. What happened?
I want to do makeup.
You'll do it in next week's video, yes?
Well, I want to get the makeup from there.
Okay. So I think yeah, both cheeks kind of look the same now. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the E.L.F. blending brush and the E.L.F. eyeshadow palette. Now I'm going to go ahead and use...
When I'm done with it, then I'll do the blending brush.
Okay. I'm going to go ahead and take this dark, like chocolate color. We tried it out last time, the shade. It was kind of, not that dark. So I'm going to rub it like in the corner. Circular motion. Now I'm keeping my eye open the entire time so I could see what I'm doing. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye in circular motions, then move forward to the corner of my eye right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and use the lighter shade for a highlighter. And I'm going to use the same brush I used for the E.L.F. Put way too much, but I think it's okay because I love using highlighter and I love lots of highlighter. What's wrong? You want the makeup? Why?
I don't know.
Let me see. Let me see. You're still pouting?
No, not.
A lot?
Uh-huh.
Why?
I don't know.
Okay, let me see. Come here. Put some on you. Maybe I'll do your makeup.
That makeup?
Yeah, all of the makeup. Look at the camera. Say, wow, look at my face.
Wow, look at my face.
Okay, moving on to lipstick. I'm going to be going to use the Day shade. So, let's see. Hold on. I'm going to pat it in there, then rub it around. Sorry, we had to dim the lights a little because they were bothering Petey's eyes. So here is the final look. Do I look beautiful?
Mm-hmm. Can I do the makeup right there?
Okay guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to go check out last week's video so you kind of get the idea of today's video. And check out yesterday's video when we made the beach cups and with all the little candies. So yeah, make sure to comment down below if this look was okay, excellent, good, whatever positive words fill up. Alright, so please like, subscribe, turn on your post notifications, and hit that big thumbs up. Always, Auti.